Hello and welcome back, and again, back for the third time today to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. I just brought out the elk shepherd's pie. Let's take a look. Oh, it's got cheddar cheese on top. Oh, look at that. You can actually see it bubbling. In about the next 15 minutes, I'm going to let this rest, and then I'm going to reveal the insides. Until then. Okay, it's been 15 minutes. Let's take a look what I have with the elk shepherd's pie. Here is, I have dished out. It's very pretty and so forth, and I'm going to come over here and wham! It looks like, yeah, I don't know what to say. I'm sure it's very yummy, but hey, we eat with our eyes. Yes, we do. But something like this, it doesn't always spoon out beautifully. It's how it tastes. Yes. So, at the end of this Tuesday, with elk shepherd's pie over my shoulder, have a great evening, eat great food, and have fun cooking.